Hi, this is Jen with biomathealth.com. I've been selling the Biomat and other Rich Way products for about 8 years now, and I know from speaking to my customers that there are lots of important questions that need to get answered before making a good buying decision. So in this video, we're going to cover the different products we carry, along with the comparisons between them to help you choose which one is right for you, the benefits of the products, and also how to use them in all their different applications. All biomats are FDA-licensed medical devices. They come in 5 sizes: the mini and the professional massage table size, which are portable, and the single, queen, and king size, which are designed to be stationary on a bed. All biomats come with a 1-year full warranty and a 3-year limited warranty. After the 4th year, units can still get sent in and repaired for a small fee. You also have the option to trade in your biomat at any time for 30% off your next biomat or any other product. What is a biomat? In a nutshell, it's a far infrared healing mat. What's unique about it is that the far infrared is being emitted through a layer of amethyst crystals, and this creates a field of far infrared 6 to 8 inches through the body. The technology was developed by NASA to help keep astronauts healthy in space. Now it has many healing applications and can help with pain, circulation, stress relief, and inflammation. The Biomat is one of the most unique delivery systems for far infrared because it emits the rays through amethyst crystals and can also be used on the highest setting as a far infrared sauna. In addition to far infrared, the Biomat emits negative ions, which is deeply relaxing to the nervous system and is responsible for the blissful experience while you're lying on the mat. The Biomat also helps you deeply relax the muscles during massage treatments. Here we have a Biomat Professional. This is our most popular product, and this is designed to fit onto a massage table perfectly. So massage therapists, acupuncturists, chiropractors, spas love this item. And you can actually just put it on top of the table. It's only about 2 inches high here. So you lay it on top, and the mat is filled with about 28 pounds of amethyst crystals. You can see the crystals in the window here, but the crystals are running throughout the entire width of the Biomat. The Biomat can either go on a massage table, or in a bed, or even on the floor. The Biomat Professional also comes with its own rolling carrying case, which makes it really easy to transport, and you can fold it up into 3 parts and then stick it into your travel bag. And it also comes with a controller. This is the last model of the controller, but the newer ones are coming with a digital version. The Biomat Professional also comes with its own cotton cover, and it secures on with elastic. And you can even put a sheet on top of this as well and throw the sheet and even this in the washer if you want. And you can also get a waterproof cover. This is extra, but it will provide a layer of protection against liquid, sweat, etc. The Biomat Professional doubles as a far infrared sauna. To do this, you want to put the cotton cover on top of the Biomat, and I also recommend putting the waterproof cover on top. This is going to protect the mat from any excess sweating. Or if you don't have one of these, you can try layering a towel on top of the cotton cover. And just notice if this is getting wet, you might want to invest in one of these. And you crank the temperature up to the hottest setting, which is 158 degrees Fahrenheit or 78 degrees Celsius. And let it hang out and get up to temp for 30-45 minutes. And when you're ready, slip on in. You can put a cotton sheet over top of you. And then if you want even another layer of like a cotton blanket or a down comforter, and that will just help to amp up the temperature more quickly. And you want to lay on the Biomat, say 45 minutes up to an hour. If you notice after an hour you're not really sweating, you might want to put it to an hour and a half. The smallest version of the Biomat is the Biobelt, and this is designed to be contoured either around the belly or the lower back area. And it comes in 2 different sizes, either regular or extra large. No matter what size you order, this part of the Biobelt will be the same. What does change is the belt itself. To attach the Biobelt, you want to put the crystal side towards the body, and then you attach it with the Velcro. The Biobelt controller is a little different than the other biomats. You power it on and can control the temperature up and down, and the temperature ranges from 95 degrees Fahrenheit up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a little lower than the other biomats. Keep in mind that there isn't a timer. An important accessory to the Biomat Professional is the Amethyst Tourmaline pillow. This is the professional set, and the pillow has tourmaline and amethyst running throughout the width of the pillow. And as you can see, it actually is a layer on top, and you can put this part in the washer if you like, and there's a memory foam pillow inside. The Biomat also comes in a mini size. It's a little different than the Biomat Professional in that it has tourmaline along with amethyst that's running throughout the width of the mat. It's a little different in size, as you can see, and the main difference is the contour that it gives. You don't really do this with the larger mats, but you can do it with the mini, and you can put it around a specific area of the body or put it into a chair. And the controller is a little smaller, but it has exactly the same functionality. It's going to go through the same temperature range as the other mats, and it does have a timer. It also comes with a cotton cover to protect the mat, and you can put a sheet on top of that as well if you like. And it will also come with its own carrying case, and this makes it really convenient to travel around with, and it fits perfectly as a carry-on with airlines. What is a quantum energy pad? A quantum energy pad was designed to add an extra cushion layer to the Biomat for comfort and good sleep, while remaining permeable to the far infrared rays emitted from the Biomat. The cushion pad evenly distributes your body weight and eliminates pressure points while lying on firmer surfaces. It can also help make the Biomat more comfortable during yoga and exercise sessions. It comes in 4 sizes: the professional massage table size, single, queen, and king. The outer layer is a soft and comfortable microfiber that is removable and machine washable. It's filled with organic compounds extracted from peach and grape seeds. It also includes a layer of tourmaline crystal, which emits far infrared and negative ions naturally, benefiting the human body's biological vibration. It naturally fills the air around it with negative ions, which are also called vitamins of the air, and creates resistance to harmful germs and bacteria. Its strong antibiotic function reduces harmful gases by 99.9%. Detoxi is a special salt that was designed to be used with the Biomat. It's a natural sun-dried salt packed inside hollow sections of bamboo and burned with a pure yellow ochre for 300 hours at 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. It's taken in water before doing Biomat heat therapy to maximize the benefits. It contains a high content of antioxidants, phosphorus, zinc, and ionized hydrogen. The Alkal-Life is a highly advanced water purification, alkaline water, and antioxidant water making machine. It's unmatched quality for the price compared to other machines like Kangen and Ionways. It has a high-performance active carbon filter with tourmaline, a smooth touchscreen control panel, precise pH calibration system ranging from 3.5 acid to 10.5 alkaline water. The Alkal-Life can sit on the counter or can mount on the wall and can be attached to the main faucet in your kitchen or a secondary faucet. It has a self-cleaning feature in which it cleans every 5 gallons. It is voice automated, has low voltage, contains platinum dipped plates, and is negative 838 I hope you now have a better understanding of our products and can make a confident buying decision. If you're ready to make a purchase, or if you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call or visit us on our website at biomathealth.com. Thanks for watching.